In 2019, I woke up one morning and I was blind in my right eye. And I was just panicked, and I'm a veteran, so I went to the VA and they said I had an occlusion and I was bleeding behind my eye. So that started my doctor's appointments with a specialist, where every month he would put a needle in my eye and he'd do laser and inject me and stuff. And I did that for 3.5 years. And I had fallen apart 2 or 3 times because psychologically it just was so hard. And then my friend Victoria in Galveston, Texas, got hold of me and said, Destiny, I found something that's helping my eyes, because she has macular degeneration. And I said, what do you got? And so she sent me some patches. And so what I decided when I got them is, let's see if they work. And I quit taking medicine and I quit going to the eye doctor. I was just done. And so it's been 8 months since they put a needle in my eye. And I went to the doctor. Well, when they were putting the needle in my eye, it caused me to have a cataract in my eye. I had to have cataract surgery. Then because of that needle, I got glaucoma in my eye because of that. And so it just was compounding on everything. And so when I started these patches 8 months ago, I quit everything. I went to the eye doctor, and I didn't tell them that I wasn't taking the medicine until after they tested my eyes. And I have normal pressure in my eyes. I no longer have glaucoma. So just like, yay, I don't have glaucoma. And I told my surgeon that I was on the patches, that it was a stem cell patch. And that's why I didn't go back to the retinal doctor. I'm letting my own body heal itself. And she's just like, oh, that's good. That's good. So I feel so blessed, because as a single woman, I was so afraid with the eye not being able to see correctly. And I was afraid it was going to affect my good eye. And mentally, having a doctor put a needle in your eye, you can't look away, and psychologically I was falling apart. I had went to the VA and I just was burst out crying, I can't do this. And he was like, pull up your bootstraps, Sergeant Simon. This is the best there is. I don't have any family to speak of. I have one son, but has his life, so I don't have anybody. And I'm like, what am I going to do? How am I going to take care of myself? So these patches, when I got them, not only did I know Victoria, but I just prayed about it, and I've always loved science. I worked in a hospital, and so I'm like, stem cells, wow.
An empowered life has no expiration date. We're all created to do incredible things, like conquer summits, catch big waves, and live our passions. As time goes on, our bodies begin to show signs that things just aren't as they used to be. Our energy levels decline, sleep patterns shift, and recovery slows. But our bodies are masterpieces of design, holding the potential to bounce back better than ever. With X39, we achieved something remarkable in the field of wellness and regenerative science that others could not. By utilizing Lifewave's unique patented technology, X39 uses light to elevate GHK-Cu, a copper peptide known to support overall health and wellness. Unlike traditional light therapy, which requires external light sources, X39 uses the body's own infrared light to naturally increase vitality, enhancing the body's flow of natural energy. For improvements in strength, stamina, performance, and overall health and well-being, with the simplicity of an affordable, non-invasive, non-transdermal patch. As we age, levels of these life-enhancing elements, which are associated with wellness and longevity, begin to decline. Lifewave invested 10 years into stem cell research, which resulted in over 70 patents. X39 was born to bring to the public a product that could support wellness in an entirely new way, supporting the production of younger, healthier cells with wearable light technology. Becoming a powerhouse is easier than you think. Harness your body's natural potential to maintain youthful energy and vitality, because life comes at you fast, but it doesn't have to pass you by. Live long, live well, live young. Be the light with Lifewave X39. Lifewave.